I love you, Dan Humphrey. Always have, always will.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries,
I needed to make sure
try to knock
when the dust settled, we still felt the same.
I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found.
It's just nobody's perfect in me the way you just did.
Could I lock in your love? Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Get you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Get you shackled in my embrace.
Dan is my boyfriend, and I know we're too young to talk about forever, but right now that's what it feels like. When I told my mom not to go away with Rufus, I said it was because you and I were forever.